Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Charlie Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 20. We have some fantastic progress. Our countertops are going in. They started yesterday, they're finishing up today, but I wanted to show you their progress on those. And then the tile is being grouted, so it's transforming in front of our very eyes. Let me show you around our space. Here we are in our hall bath, friends. We have a version of Taj Mahal in here. So this is Taj Mahal Light. Currently, our wall color is agreeable gray, but because of the temperature of the light that comes through our skylight, sometimes this is throwing a lavender cast. So we're going to be painting this into our canvas tan, which is in several other rooms of the house, just to warm the space up and not cast that lavender appearance to the paint color. So, isn't Taj Mahal pretty? Over here in the shower, it's been grouted. Not quite finished yet, but still looking as gorgeous as ever. Here we are in our master bathroom. Oh, it looks so nice. I love the quartz in this space. It's got a nice soft beige undertone to it. It goes fantastic with our canvas tan paint color. We did a waterfall here for the seated vanity in the middle. They still got a little bit of epoxy work to do in here, but this backsplash continues at the same height all the way across. It looks so good. We did miter the corner here, so we get a little bit of a waterfall drop to that next countertop height, just to keep it a little bit more seamless. We didn't want this gap here between the two and then fill that in. We decided to do the waterfall instead. It just looks so good. And then we were able to do an eased edge detail on the other sides of that countertop so that it looks consistent all the way around. Over here in the master shower, we are still working away on the floor tile, but the wall tile is done. Oh, and it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness, we got all the product put into the window openings. We've got our polished nickel trim around our openings for the shelves, the niches. And then we added this detail between our flat and our wave here in that polished nickel trim also, so that we could transition between the two. This tile has got a nice, wave texture to it that's not just in the tile. You can actually see the wave as part of the texture of it. We did the flat just so that all of our escutcheon plates would sit against a flat tile here in that shower space, but I think it really dresses it up with a little bit of sparkle around our niches and our center panel. So we do have John here working on closets again today, which is fantastic. He's made such great progress. So here's his master closet. Getting all these shelves in, drawers will go in today. Our toe kick cover is on. They look so good. So friends, here we are in the kitchen. I am so excited to see the waterfall of this going in. So we're using Dekton in the style Nilium for the countertops in the kitchen and this island with its waterfall ends. These guys are working really diligently to get all these seams lined up in this island itself. It looks so good though. They've done such a good job. I'm super excited to see this one all come together. This Nilium is supposed to look like a white concrete, and so in the process then it's got some veining that comes down to the ends, and I'm excited to see how that's going to transform this space. Over here you can see we've got the butler's pantry part on, but they've got it covered so that it stays in good shape while they're working in the space and then doing all of setting their products down on it. So that's all good. But then over here, they have grouted the floor started grouting the floor in the laundry room. And it looks so good, friends. It's just coming together. I'm so excited about this project. But here, look at this transition we did. The laundry room floor tile to the rest of the house floor tile. Looks so good. Oh, all the patterns are just working together, which is fantastic. On this side of the kitchen is where our cooktop's going to be. So we are waiting for the cooktop to be able to cut the opening for it. The one thing I'm excited about on this side is how the backsplash tile complements and coordinates all the colors of all of our finishes. It just looks so good with everything. It's kind of that piece that will be our focal point and draw everything together. Our large living room space has all of the grout in. It looks so good, but still got some cleanup to do. You can see the grout dust layer on top of all the tile. They're waiting for all the grout to dry so that they can get that all cleaned up. Our tile down this hallway, these guys worked really diligently to make sure our lines all lined up and that it has a straight pattern going through the space. Our project manager, Kenny, is still out here working so hard with these guys, making sure that everything gets done just to specification. Oh, I'm so excited to show you the finished project. We're on the home stretch. Friends for Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley. Take great care of yourself. You're the best.